Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. For today's video, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-download ng videos sa Facebook. First is punta tayo sa Play Store. At i-search natin ang FB Downloader. At lalabas ang maraming version ng FB Downloader. At ang pipiliin ko ay ang Video Downloader for Facebook. At i-install natin yan. At pagkatapos ay i-open natin ang apps. At yan guys, lalabas ang how to download. Click to download. Then makikita natin ang mga step by step ng how to download. And then guys, pindutin natin browse Facebook. And then mag-login ka lang sa account mo sa Facebook. This is sensor ko lang to guys. So, email ad mo or mobile number. And then yung password mo sa Facebook. And then mag-login ka. Then ito na. Naka-login na. And then kung anong gusto niyo na video, search lang kayo or yung mga videos na gusto niyo. For example, i-search ko na lang yung DIY. For example, DIY. DIY and crafts. So, search natin kung may video ang DIY crafts. Eto, click natin yung video na making a desktop lead strips connected to the PC. So, pindutin natin, then allow. So, ito video found. What would you like to do with this video? So, ang pipiliin ko guys is ang HD video download. May dalawang option dyan. SD video download. HD video download lang pipiliin natin para HD yung video na ma-download natin. So, pindutin natin ang HD video download. Ayan, starting download na guys. So, wait na lang tayo na matapos yung pag-download niya. Ayan. Ayan guys, malapit nang matapos mag-download. Iintayin lang natin na matapos ang pag-download niya. Tapos, after dito na ma-download, punta tayo sa gallery natin at i-check natin if na-download na ba ito. If successful ba. Ayan guys, na-download na. Making a desktop lead strip connected to the PC. So hope you like this tutorial guys, and please don't forget to click the notification bell for more updates videos of mine, and please don't forget to subscribe and like and share guys, and thank you.